Elon Musk's $218 million deal with Maxwell Technologies has become one of the most talked about moves in the tech world. And not just because of the massive dollar value involved, but because this deal quietly unlocks a new era of battery technology that could rewrite the future of Tesla, reshape the global EV market, and shock every competitor who thought Tesla was slowing down. This is not just a business transaction. This is Elon Musk playing a game of chess where everyone else is still learning basic moves. Maxwell Tech is famous for one thing: its breakthrough ultracapacitor and Dry-Electrode technology, a system that allows batteries to charge faster, last longer, tolerate extreme temperatures, and most importantly, become cheaper to produce. Musk isn't buying a company. He's buying time, innovation, and a competitive advantage so strong that companies like Toyota, BYD, and even Apple are suddenly recalculating their long-term strategies. Imagine an EV battery that charges in minutes, runs for 1,000,000 miles, doesn't degrade, and costs far less to manufacture. That's what Maxwell Tech brings to the table, and Musk saw it years before anyone else even recognized the opportunity. The public thought it was just another corporate acquisition, but for Tesla, this was the missing puzzle piece that unlocks mass-scale, low-cost EV production globally. With Maxwell's Dry-Electrode technology, Tesla could eliminate massive parts of the battery-making process. No solvents, no long drying times, no environmental hazards, and no expensive manufacturing steps. It's cleaner, faster, more efficient, and dramatically cheaper. And if Tesla controls this technology exclusively, the company suddenly leaps 5 to 10 years ahead of every EV rival in the world. That's why this deal matters. Musk's entire dream of scaling to terawatt-hour production becomes realistic only because Maxwell's Dry-Electrode process enables battery factories to be built faster, run cheaper, and produce far more powerful cells. People always ask how Tesla plans to build enough batteries for their future robot axis, semi-trucks, Cybertrucks, and Model 2 vehicles. The secret is here. Maxwell's technology massively boosts production per square foot of factory space, meaning Tesla gets more batteries, more energy density, and more supply at a fraction of today's cost. It is the foundation of Tesla's next-generation 4,680 cells, which Musk sees as the key to lowering the price of EVs globally. With the world moving towards clean energy, this $218 million investment becomes one of the smartest strategic plays in modern history. Analysts who initially ignored the move now admit that Maxwell's innovations could save Tesla billions in the long run. Think of it like Tesla buying a golden goose that keeps producing new technology year after year. Musk doesn't just want better batteries. He wants to break the limit of what batteries can do. Maxwell's ultracapacitor tech gives Tesla the potential for extreme power bursts, instant energy delivery, and shockingly high reliability, perfect for high-performance vehicles and even SpaceX applications. The bigger picture becomes clear. This isn't just for cars. This is for rockets, energy storage, and future tech no one has even imagined yet. The world already knows Tesla dominates software, motors, and energy architecture. But with Maxwell's dry battery breakthrough, Tesla can dominate manufacturing at a scale that makes competitors sweat. Legacy automakers still struggle to source affordable batteries, while Tesla is now on track to produce the world's cheapest, most advanced cells. And once Tesla cracks cheap, fast-charging EVs, it becomes nearly impossible for any new company to catch up. Elon understands one rule: control the battery, control the EV world. And that's exactly what this deal does. It gives him control. You can see the ripple effects already. Battery factories planned across America, Europe, and Asia are integrating dry-electrode concepts. Next-generation Tesla products are being teased with extreme range and ultra-fast charging. And investors are now realizing why Musk spent millions quietly on a company most people had never even heard of. Tesla's upcoming affordable EV, the rumored $25,000 or even $19,000 Tesla, depends heavily on low-cost battery production, and Maxwell Tech is part of that secret sauce. With this deal, Tesla doesn't just improve batteries, it rewrites the physics of battery production. The $218 million price tag is nothing compared to the trillions in value this tech will eventually create. Musk's competitors are trying to innovate with conventional batteries, while Tesla has moved to a completely different level of efficiency. It's the equivalent of going from 4G to 7G, while everyone else is still thinking about 5G. And Tesla's energy division, Powerwall, Megapack Solar, also benefits massively. Imagine home batteries with double the lifespan, grid storage systems with near-zero degradation, and massive solar storage farms powered by cells that don't require expensive cooling or maintenance. That's why this deal is more than EVs. It's an energy revolution. People wondered how Musk would keep Tesla ahead for another decade. This is how. Every EV company in the world from China to Germany is watching Tesla's battery progress with confusion and panic. They know Tesla has something they don't, and Maxwell's tech is a major reason why. Elon Musk didn't buy a company, he bought the future. And once Tesla fully integrates Maxwell's designs into all their products, the EV world will be forced to follow or fall. This $218 million deal may go down as the most important battery acquisition in modern history, the move that pushed Tesla into a league of its own and secured Musk's long-term domination in the industry. And the world still hasn't understood how big this really is.